Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky and we continue learning about the Configurator software features. The next option in the main menu at the left side of the screen is Routes. This page allows us to create and edit bus routes, which are used by the Autoinformer feature. Needless to say that we already have a video where the Autoinformer feature is described in details, and we even made a test bus run with the bus screen involved. The link you can find in the description to this video. The Autoinformer feature allows you to apply Galileosky trackers to arrange sound notification for buses where bus stop names are played automatically. Audio files must be recorded in advance and saved on the SD card or into a eMMC memory of the tracker, which depends on the tracking device model. You need to convert audio files using the special tool on the Routes page so that your files were recognized by the tracker. By the way, same goes for audio files that should be played with your Easy Logic algorithms. So, start the configurator and go to the Routes page. Let's prepare audio files first. I already have some recorded files, so I only need to find them on my computer and add to the list in the audio files converter. I also need to set the folder where the application should save converted versions of my audio files and press the Start Conversion button. The process doesn't take much time. The main part of the screen takes the map. I'm searching for the necessary city and the area. At the right side of the screen you can see the bus route editor. First, choose the folder where the newly created bus routes should be saved. Now add the bus route name that can consist of letters and numbers. You also need to set the first and the last bus stop names of this route. After that we can start adding bus stops. Press the plus button near the station field. The system asks you to choose audio file in which the bus stop name is pronounced. Please be careful and choose the audio file which was already converted. Now we need to place the bus stop on the map. As you can see, we have a marker which looks like the slice of pizza. This is the bus stop marker. The marker has the directional arrow and the triggering field. We need to place the marker so that the direction correspondent with the actual bus direction when it approaches to the bus stop. The tracker will play the bus stop name when the bus enters the blue area of the marker in the same direction as the marker's arrow. It means that if you have bus stops on both sides of the street on your road, you will need to place two markers with opposite directions. It is better to place markers slightly before the actual bus stops, so that the tracker could play full bus stop names before the bus stops. You can change the wideness and the active area of the marker if necessary. This way you can adjust the system triggering time according to your requirements. Add all necessary bus stops on your road. You can also add the advertisement messages text on the corresponding field. Those messages will be shown on the bus display between stops. Your tracking device storage can contain several bus routes, since the same bus can work on different bus lines on different days. Create all the necessary routes the similar way. Once you have all the necessary routes, you need to save the created bus routes. Choose the folder and save the routes. Now, all those routes and corresponding audio files you need to copy to the SD card of your tracker using the card reader, or copy to the eMMC memory using the msd1 command and some file manager like WinSCP. As you remember, the Autoinformer feature should be also activated on the System tab in Settings and at the Sound tab to be operational. Please don't forget to restart the tracker if the feature was disabled on the System tab after applying settings. Once the Autoinformer feature is active, set the necessary bus line name in the device settings at the Sound tab and apply settings. I again wanted to recommend you to check the Autoinformer guide that I've mentioned earlier to see how the feature works together with the bus screen in close to real conditions. That's all for today. Dmitry was with you. See you in the next video.